Alright, Tom and Sha Sakardine. I'm here in the backyard, in the garden. Gary Tenya Kaho, Hayant. Kaibnagum Lesh. This Kaibnagum walking road is all that fantastic with you. Shine, Nish. Well, I guess Hasame, Flan Yenov, near Larigum. I started to make a plan as per my friend's recommendation, and I started a set list and I wrote down 2 things. So, there you go. Oh, we have pretty much no plan again. Hopefully some good music. I plan to throw in a few English songs for those of you who don't speak Irish. Could be Gael the Galordain fashion. Plenty of Irish too. I guess Dr. Ehrlich is Jevnach and Chef. Hadog. Walking Orm. Summerpod. Alright, so Jolinish Lakuma J. This image Tapid and Richa. May originally Arish Nisha Kashibionish. So it's live now. It's on 10-year shul for Yara. It's Snownish. Shakyan Dr. A wily old bachelor. Kashibianor, not Tron Chef. Chef or gosh, can't get bottom. The wily old bachelor, the first one. Alright. Nish Ella and the fool. She needs show, let's continue. It's warmer with the fire. Right, shot on Vandaline. Counter the new land. Cordon Gana de Fekater and Tinya. I'll just say in the autumn, Galusha do us. So I shouldn't be looking at the fire and worrying about the fact that it seems to be going out. That's why I made a few mistakes there, because I'm busy looking at this and hoping that it doesn't go out while I'm playing that song. Alright, so we got some wood burning. It's a good thing. Keep the wood burning. Put some more wood on there. These more image here in Tinya, Darnold. And then come on, yo. This Lacuna J, Tinya, War Creole again. Airball. Alright. Do your stoka. Full. Cool look out on worship. Tá loiter que foi na hotcha. False fan. There's ashes everywhere. Anyway, I am keeping the cover on. Alright, Auron. Danny made these small Auron. These small Auron on worship. From the day. This Mars Andul. And they taken there in the buckle. Just go with them. Let's go. Alright, it's a man show in Russia. I was going to keep the banjo there as a threat, but I suppose eventually it's going to have to come out. So here it is. This is a song that goes back to the 1600s, late 1600s, celebrating the hero of the Lost Wars. As is usual, there are no won wars in most of Irish history, unfortunately. But this is about the Jacobites. Pádraig Sarshell, Antá. So, Slán the Pádraig Sarshell. And for some reason, this key always makes me sneeze, so let's see what happens. A Pádraig Sarshell, Slán the Jehu, a Hushtan right, is the country's future. Again in the Garon, the Shtaria, is long to where the skill of the preacher of the whole. A Pádraig Sarshell is in on the hero, is banner on Taliber, Hugh to River, Gamani on Yannock, Yalis on Green Good, Old Blue on Mala, Raylin at Buffalo. A Pádraig Sarshell, Grieg of Midland, a Grisha Hain, agus Grieg Wirland, oh, to one clock, the gold tree, very good, but it's Glen, oh, Cornock, wood, and Glen, the cocoa. Hey, holler, cockney major, side your buff, may the Seamus, we may in order been our missing nature, of Tom in the Giddy jerk of the hole. Russian of Batman, now his Russian of mine, yes, and true you Brescia, Hegnota, Granjoiga, and Catru Brescia, Gaffron de Downey, is Bullet, Trammering, Ectory, and Downey of the hole. It's from the side your Myra, Manamop, a Gavan, Pleasure, the Shack, Shacking up the honey, Fee, Coffee, Climbing, Arrogate, a Pashi, Cheetah, East, in Akron, a Pádraig Sarshell, Slán the Jehu, a Hushtan right, is the country's future. Again in the Garon, the Shtaria, is not to where the skill of the Cleacher of the whole. Och, ahon. Oh, alas, alas. Well, soon scale. Alright, cut out the toggle. Shark Yawn, den Quidismo Asperla, Acta Corfa Australia. This is one that is mostly in English, but it has an Irish language chorus. So, get a little bit of both. Let's get this set up. Margarita. Chuck. Snowme guitar in Russia. Good. Alright, start my guitarella. Hold on, one pro. The guitar, why the shot? Who's shaking my y'all in a moment? This is Shularoon. I would I were on yonder hill, 'tis there I'd sit and cry my fill, and every tear would turn a mill. Iskajet to a warning song. Brálam nuair a bhíon deisegam chana le na chéirde ach tá na méonar an se cé go raibh mar dáras ar ascailt tá na méonar mar sandal well go ceann tamil eile is tóga tá sé níos meas an éireann mar chluiseam rénos níl mé faoi bhas an se ach mar sin héin ní bhíon feann ar réí teach le chéile. So people don't want to get together here, even though we are a little more free, I suppose. There's still a lot of nonsense going on. So here I am by myself. Let me put a little more wood on that fire. I don't want it going out while I'm playing. That would be silly and disappointing. Piece of more I'm a John. Lord Shin. Just delicious. Como Shin. Couple count a lot. Shut. Tinya more of it. Tinya water again. Alright. I'll just tell. I'm a sufficient. Regular than I have. So we got lots of wood this time. Prepared. Still say daughter. Alright. Shut. Van Lai Bonaparte, no, Madame Bonaparte. Hugimish or is Madame Bonaparte? Very nice. Well, Gan Flan of Dortmund. Flan B. Kulpa Rud. Okay. So, what Dortmund Yegadasa? They Kulpa out on a spare of them. The Shakyan Ziv. You're going to make the Father Shah. The Kuna JJ may not day. This is a Lord Tahuric Soul. So here's one in English. We're talking on cost. You're trying Bristol Gummer and Nitar Shah. You're may have to shin Rodella Harlan so So this is a Freddie Nielsen? I'm not sure. So it was done by Neil Young now. 4 strong winds on Tanamata Air. Here in a Fada Egg. Sulagum Guinea Figurate. Alright. gan íon difriúil an dói near na Neil Young má go leor sílan. A little different from Neil Young, but pretty close. Good enough. Good enough. All right. Now, near while I'm the good and barely sin the stacker, I think this mar sin can't make count of scale of this. So I'll do an Irish one now. And so I don't want the English to be bothering you, so that's a gleifer enough for this. All right. Kind of give me a show. I'm gonna show. All right. Oh, I say Bill, come on. Can you or agree or not sure. All right. Skinny. Right. Mail Mar. Count Ella on Shaftweishjig. Another one about that same period in the late 1600s. Everybody knows this one. Everybody. All Irish speakers know this one. There it is. The milk my hot dog. Virginia post. Neil. Well, they're like. Fantastic gekomen. Want in de shop. Agus Neil sé de ma ag an nóid seo mar sin. Caithi mé é leisú. I'm in the car. Well, the vacant there. With a beam show, Canis and Shannon. All right. The Orphan, I believe this is called. Counterful. Rinne sin an or river shot of. Mar sin while I'm ready to fool again of enough. Carry me a shot like you shoot go forward. Air galore. PC. Air. It's Belgium. I tell her. Shit. Glor. Alright. Kuna J and it's shin no. Well, here I go. Well, I'm gonna shin. A couple of on. I'll tell you what I can. Alright. So. The anime is starlight again. I have no idea what I'm going to do next. But how about something completely different? Sha Kyan Kerme Gelga Sha Ahna Gakania an hour on Sha as Berla Neil Ahna Gakania as Gelga Keg will me all yen of the blend of father nush. Guitar, Alright. Marquis Hypsulus is spared. Not Dana Curfa Flivo, I can tell be Menina Ginac, and Nact, I can know me. Usually I do the chorus twice at the end, but God, I was waving goodbye to me and I got distracted. It's coming, it's coming. All right, in the background again. Anarcha, start with Anarcha. Then shot. Why don't we count Shen again if he's Jenny? Ah, count this. Oh. Count down earlier B. Pager. Akawan, cool earlish. A while ago. The Gna. Shenham, the Cara, no goal. Because the Gna being Liam, the gun. Malron, this Tasha Tovatuk, an Auron Shah, Ach, Marshin Hain, Riname, the Luke, Prayer, Fadoe, Riname, Osh, Osman, Good Shah, Yena, this Colin, the fucker, so much me character, what do you let's go? Sorry about this, folks. I am a lazy learner. I don't play often enough to memorize everything because I don't do them often enough. And even though I've been doing some of these songs for 20 years, I still don't know them. Where are they? Oh, they just took it out. I'll say Tevium. It's Shandiname. I know there. Shandiname, Jeremy, the rest of you Tevium. I forgot that they were right. Shah, Auron as Kanamara. I guess, fui gonna a Jimmy gon tier. I guess for a while they're still a rash or he faded that. Colin Farik Hamish, Tiddle Tair. Oh, Celia cool with my garaga evan long and on in Ambudge. They say, oh, to hear the Mephala and Masman Nimerkana. Nimarak Taleg by which they was a fan is kind of. I can cram a dog to hear the Veen extra Kadesh and Nantan. Talang Ekdola Naninyo, a falling Parik Hamish, Agisimi Glat Harsayan, Nan Marawai to look the hair. Exclavia this exlushta cray, oh, I legally the Grenya. A vast to haul it dear all a holding for a Hamish. It's a mila bragrinya, Katu if you're gone, Buddha. Ek vir in mas na grakan glass, no ek iskerax na kunta. Bagashkyak in Sankara, ko is to fara kanyala. Bagwenya lat na kyo na bir, Giskana majirawa. Talong Ekdola Naninyo, a holy Parik Hamish, Agisini that are silent now, Marawai to look ahead. Exclavia bis, exlosh pray, oh, I legally the Grenya, a vast to haul in dear and all, a holy Parik Hamish. Joe the Harjan the Velta is Niscari to Rishka Brock on Warner Haven Slaver. Foxlane Clondock is Exleave, Foxlane Conamara, Marnie Billy to good Joe and your either here no the Vaya. Oh, hung a dollar non in your a holding for a gamish. And you see me glad her scion non mara why to do the head. Ex-Slavia, this ex-style train, oh, I regalina grania, oh, best to holly dear, the all the holding body camish. Ex-Slavia, this ex-style train, oh, I regalina grania, oh, best to holly dear, the all the holding body camish. I'll be guess that was net line hinged. Don't listen to the airplane while you're saying. Alright. Let's say it's good. Zola move. Alright. Got enough word click. Give me your clicker light. That's me in it. Is the clown? Bra sauce the dips. Alright, cut again in this. Gone. Flat, not a good. John raising to new one. Oh. Yeah, well, Danny Shepherd. Poppy leaf. Jag kan in ni små inläs in Orsha, Tarek så dem, menos. Why am count Noah? Again, mas more machine. Now I tried to think of this last time and I couldn't, and I hope I can play because I just learned it. And I don't really know it terribly well, but I'd like to try it out. Let's see if I can remember that. Berry Hills, or Dortney, you'll see a Gertigum Himlon full. So I don't quite have it 100%, but I wanted to play that because I thought I would play that last time and I never got to. Alright. How about a song? How about a song in English for all you patient English people out there? I have not done this one in a long time either. And some of you, I know, are quite familiar with this song, if you are listening. My friends that are on my usual internet group. I am going to have this all fall over. Careful. 12-string in Orsha, Rish. Alright. Yeah, I'm not going to do this all day, but I can go on for days. That's what we used to always do, and of course, someday hope to do again. Time to be born, a time to die, a time to plant, a time to reap, a time to kill, a time to heal, a time to lie, time to weep, to everything. Time to build up, a time to break down, a time to dance, a time to mourn, a time to cast away stones, a time to gather stones together, to everything. There is a season. Time for every purpose under heaven. A time of love, a time of hate, a time of war, a time of peace, a time you may embrace, a time to refrain from embracing, to everything. Everything can turn. There is a season and a time for every purpose under heaven. To everything can turn. There is a season and a time for every purpose This is the time when we don't embrace. Aaron Druckler. Chucky. Ella. The Kona J. Lugalure. And it's big after it. Kirkulure. Or ball. Kona J. Alright. Couple of Rodella. Jenny May. Alright. So, continue. Nice far to testing. Shine. Piece of one eye, Medella. Sulgum go with Jenny second to her shot. Her light testing one on. Baby, so Jenny look on the J or ball. Alright. Let's see. This is the Gentle Maiden. Another one I forgot to play last time. Alright, and that reminds me, I haven't used the banjo in a while, and I have another song, a short song. Arona Skelga. All this one on Dini, or no. Means you clear. So, everybody kind of knows this one. Again, if you know any Irish. Peggy Fletcher Moore. Another Connemara song. Obviously, since that's where Fletcher Moore is. Just a silly little song about a beautiful girl. I know everybody. She's awesome. Gotta give him, let's get. Oh, it's Get And speaking of lively and always fun, I need to do a good drunkard song. So, here is the most famous, perhaps, of all of the drunkard songs. Níl na lá, tá na lá. Everybody knows this one, right? Let's see if you can tolerate my version of it. Usually keep an eye on me. Yeah, you're good. Feeling guitar. Tá Jacqueline. Again. Alright, let's click on a couple of stuff. King Glass. Okay. Call his hand in Jigger. Is Tersha train the Vima Kushla. Corabel, the Kagaler. Sminin hands up bunker with Tan along. Tabig, König Sors, Kadam the Hork, Dachri War, God Jockey on Wagen, Tan along, in along, Tan along, a sin a Wagen, in along, Yara, Axalezar, I rode Mahi, Farati, Sneak had it breached, the mum na haka, Blas na Brandon, Quidshiti, Arakana Kriga, Jumpy on watching, Tan along. Tama Egtul Harcharan is Neil Ban Oga Rocket Dog Kasa Tan along. Gold, got jockey on wagon, Tan along, in along, Tan along, just in a watching, in along, Axalezar, and Tasagali, Tan along, in Oh, nach was section an sha. Damjak, look is dat asmachor. Marba andul. Marabandul. Ach, Neil. Very nice. Ahasorum, Waka, Couple Dynamic, Agus Shanska May, Dini Ella, Fecondary, Janik, Ball, Agus Deshagum Clack the Anna, Agus Right. Kjol and Spantleaf. Count of one out there, Vidal like a shin creek is the other. So I'm gonna finish up with something on the fiddle. Don't know what yet. I'm gonna feel it. Feel it. Oh, okay. Let me see if I can do this. Let me see if I can do two. Alright, that was the Kerry Reel and the Maids of Castlebar. Count and Nia Kayla, one after the other, and that is what I'm going to finish with. Alright, Slán a Khairde, Jane May, Risha Lacona J, Soladagan, Solajucky on Yevra, before the winter comes. Sichak, Beijer Freshen. So, Shamisha, Shamachon, Shamachos, I guess, Slán a Khairde, Slán Tamil.